Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the easy anti-cheat error in Apex Legends. This issue usually pops up when launching the game and prevents it from starting. Don't worry, it's a pretty easy fix, so let's get right into it. First, open up Steam, go to your library, and find Apex Legends. Right-click on it, go to Properties, then click on Installed Files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This might take a few minutes, but what it does is scan your game files and repair or re-download anything that's missing or corrupted. This alone can fix the error for a lot of users. If verifying didn't work, go to the folder where Apex is installed. Right-click on the apexlegends.exe file, click Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply. Now go into the Easy Anti-Cheat folder inside the same directory. Right-click on the easyanticheat.exe, go to Properties Compatibility tab again, and make sure Run as Administrator is checked here too. This is important because if these aren't run with admin privileges, the game might fail to launch properly due to permission issues. Once you've done both of those steps, close Steam completely by right-clicking on it in your system tray and clicking Exit. Then reopen Steam and launch Apex Legends again. That's it. Your game should now launch without the easy anti-cheat error. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.